could have a huge impact on the scheduled opening of the health insurance exchanges next Tuesday. Those federally run exchanges are supposed to help guide Hoosiers who don't have coverage now to make the right purchase. But many people are still confused about who needs to buy insurance and how to go about it. RTV6 reporter Norman Cox will answer some of those questions for you. Norman?
Well, the Affordable Care Act requires everybody to have health insurance, but there are still many questions about how to buy the policy you need, and the Obama administration is putting out a guide to help people navigate those rapids. 880,000 Hoosiers may want to watch this video. They're the people currently without health insurance, but who are required by law to have it by next year. The video has been released by the Obama administration to YouTube and other sites to show people without insurance how to apply on the new federal exchanges, which open Tuesday. Advocates like Nancy Griffin of United Senior Action say people need to know that even though large employers have been exempted for another year from having to provide health insurance, individuals are still required to buy it.
If you already have insurance through your employer or you're already on Medicare, you're covered. You don't have to do anything. It's for people who simply don't have insurance coverage of any kind that need to take the steps necessary to get signed up.
Because Governor Pence declined to have state-run exchanges to organize the private insurance firms which will provide the policies, the federal government will do it here. The feds have 4 ways for people to contact them: a website, mail, telephone, and in person. But so far, they have not been actively reaching out to people to encourage those who need the insurance to apply, nor is the state. The state insurance department says Washington has told them, in effect, to butt out.
Well, with the responsibility to run the exchange is the outreach initiative. And the federal government actually early on in our conversations really advised us not to do any outreach. Since the federal exchange would be operating here in Indiana, they would take care of that responsibility, and we said okay.
When you contact one of the federal sites, someone will help you through the process but won't recommend a specific plan. Griffin says she expects the process to run smoothly here.
My understanding is that the federal exchange is covering more than 20 states in the country, including Indiana, and should be fully functional and easy to use, user-friendly and up and running, and there's no reason that people in Indiana should have any more difficulty than anyone else.
Griffin says the only glitch she's aware of is that the Spanish language function may not be up and running Tuesday, but will be available shortly afterward. And to make it easier for you to find the information you need, we have a link to the federal exchange from our website, theindychannel.com. You just click on the Hot Button section. Live in the newsroom, I'm Norman Cox, RTV6.